Hello guys and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Now if you have not taken the time to do so already, do me a big favor and please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out a lot and also let me know that you're liking the videos. Speaking of videos, go and take a look at some of our previous videos. You guys, I have videos on just about like every single topic and we are actually expanding from there. In today's video, modern coastal home offices. Once again, this is going to be a relaxing type video, so I am going to just duck on out and I will see you guys towards the end of the video. Alright you guys, so as we near the end of this video, please take a moment to let me know your favorite room, or if you liked this modern coastal home decor office type style, and would you emulate this in your home? Is this a style that you would have in your home? I'm very curious, so let me know down below in the comment section. Alright guys, I hope that you have enjoyed that video. If you have, I've already asked you to comment your favorite room if you want to know mine. It is this right here. I love how light this is. I feel like I could get so much work done. And look at the drawers on this desk. I've never seen a desk like that, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. As always guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.